Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, we're going to be replacing the Nerf bar step pad on our 2000 Mercedes ML320. The original one that says Mercedes on it is all ripped up. It had been damaged somehow through weathering or abuse, we don't know. It needs to be replaced, so we found a suitable replacement. It doesn't say Mercedes-Benz because Mercedes does not make this part as a replacement part, but we did get this and we'll put a link in the description as to where you can find it. And I'll show you how to pull this old one off and put the new one on here in just a second. Removal of the old step pad is pretty much a brute force method. It's held in by some keepers, so you pretty much have to just pull it out by hand. It takes a lot of force. You can see ours comes out easily because there's no keepers on it. But you have to pull it loose that way, and we advise not using screwdrivers. If you have to use something to pry it, use a plastic pry tool, something that won't damage the chrome underneath. So here in a second, we'll install the new one. Each of these step pads comes with 4 keepers. They look like this. And what you're going to do is install the keepers into the Nerf bar first, and then you'll put the pad on second. So we'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, installation, you're just going to push these pins into the receptacles, essentially. It's a brute force method, and it should all just push down. You're going to make sure you get it oriented in the correct direction. Look at your old one that you pulled off to get it. And that's all there is to it. So it's a pretty easy job. Thanks for watching this video.